Hey everybody, today I'm going to be giving a tutorial on how to make a very cool thing. It's called a hexaflexagon. If you do not know what it is, you will learn what it is by the time we are done. So just follow along with this tutorial and you will learn everything. Okay, so what you need for this craft is you'll need a piece of paper, scissors, tape, and at least 2 different colors of markers, crayons, or colored pencils. Any of it works fine, but markers work the best, so that's why I'm using markers. You can have more than 2, but you can't have any more than 3. You'll see why soon. So what you can start out with is you can cut a line, a thin strip right here. Boop, boop, boop. And once you get to the end, take it off, or it's already going to be off because you're cutting it off, but make sure it's okay if it's not perfectly straight because it'll still work, but make sure it's as straight as possible, and make sure it's not very wide, because if it's too wide it won't work. So then here comes the hard part, folding the triangles. So what you can do is make sure you have a little point like right here, and then crease right there to make a triangle. Right now it just looks like a line, but then once you wrap it like this, it's a triangle. And if it's too wide like this, you can just crease it a little bit more, and then there you go. You have a good old triangle. See right there? Try to show it to you. Crease here. I'll crease this a little bit more. There you go. So then after that, just do the same thing for the entire strip of paper. So crease and then fold. One other tip is just like make sure you have your triangles like this, and it will be a little bit easier, but the other way I was doing it, it's better for beginners in folding paper. So, but if you can fold triangles, then you can fold this. So try to get you need to get at least 10 triangles to be able to get the most out of this. I'm gonna pause the recording while I'm in the middle of folding. I'll see you guys in a moment. Okay, if this is too confusing for you, just go and watch the video or the part that I was folding the triangles, because when you're done, it should look something like this, like it's like a little spring. Boing. But when you are done folding these triangles, unravel them until you have a formation that looks like this. It's like triangle, upside triangle, upside down triangle, upside triangle, upside down triangle. When you're done with that, count until you have 10 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just so you know, if you have tape, you do not need to do this. I have tape, so I do not need to do this. But I'll be able to explain it to you. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now what you do is you fold a little crease like here. So you don't fold it in front. See, if you see like it's in front, you don't do that. You fold it back. Then you fold it like, hold on, no, you do fold it back, never mind. And then you put this under. So you fold it front like this, and then you fold it up like this, and then put it under. And then make sure it can crease like this. And then to tape it together, take a piece of tape and put it in between these two. I think I made my tape bit a little bit too long, so I am going to cut some of this tape right off. I'm just gonna throw this away. If you have glue and you don't have tape, it's okay, because you'll have an extra triangle above here. Like you will have a triangle up here when you're done doing everything I've explained. Just glue the triangle up there, and then you can put it down on here. But as you see, it just looks like a normal little hexagon, but then you can do this and it opens up. Dun, dun, dun. So what you do to discover all of the secrets of a hexaflexagon is you take it, you just can marker like one side. You can color it in all the way or do a design you want or something. It really doesn't matter. So then you flex it, and now it's on the back. But then you can flex it again, but you see it's missing now, it's not there. But then you flex, oh, there it is. So what you can do is for this extra side, do like this, a different color. Oh, my lid fell, I'll grab it. And now you have a hexaflexagon, and as you can see, there's 3 sides, a light blue, dark blue, and white. So there are some other things about hexaflexagons. You can also make something that's called a hexaflexagon, and it has 6 sides, and each side has its own alternative side. You probably don't understand what I mean by that. I'm still trying to figure out how to make those, but as soon as I can figure it out, I will give you a tutorial. But these are a fun fidget toy because you can just go around flexing it. But the thing is, you might have trouble flexing it. Like, you might fold it like this, and then you can't open it up. Make sure when you fold it, you can open up each little. You fold it into like a little like star shape. Make sure you can open up each little thing like that. And if you can, then you can open it up. But if it's like this, you can't open up the sides because there's a little piece of paper over the side, so it won't work. So make sure it's always like this. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy your little hexaflexagon thing that you just made. And if you followed along with this, please give a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And even if you didn't follow along, please do anyway. I will have another video soon, and I don't know what it is. I still need to plan, but see you guys later. Bye.